Okay, some extreme geeking out right now. You can see here 12 hours ago the pressure was 29.56, and right now we're at extremely low pressure. I never saw this before. 28.97 inches per mercury. And I have lots of information going on right now. Right now it's at 28.97 inches per mercury, so that's equivalent to 98.1 millibars. And in the past 12 hours, it was at 29.90, 1012 millibars. That's almost standard, and that means it dropped 31 millibars, approximately 31 millibars, according to my weather station. To Bombogenesis criteria, you need to drop 24 millibars, and so that means we're dropping ridiculous. Right now, you can see it's been dropping 0.6 inches per mercury per hour, and that means 2 millibars an hour, so that's ridiculous, and it already dropped 31 millibars today, and it'd have to go down to another 30 millibars. If the storm's halfway over, it's going to continue and then go down another 30 millibars. We'll be down as low as Hurricane Irene's pressure. We won't be as close as Sandy, though, but possibly Irene. And also the highest pressure I saw was 30.45 inches per mercury, and that's 1,030 millibars. So you could see right now the average should be 30.00, and look at it right now, it's at 28.97. The rain is 3.3 inches of rain. Okay, we just dropped down to 28.88 inches per mercury. We were just at 29.87 about an hour ago, and 30 minutes ago we were at I think it was a 28.94, so this thing is dropping like crazy. Bombogenesis for sure. Check this out, I never saw this before. My thing is flashing thunderstorms. This is ridiculous. You know, we just beat Bombogenesis criteria. 28.85 inches per mercury, and this thing's flashing. It never flashed before. Usually the rain flashes, but not the sun and the clouds. This is ridiculous. Usually this is what I get on my other weather station. I get the thunderstorm, the lightning, and the rain flashes, but not the cloud and the wind and everything. That's ridiculous. Okay, Tom Nissel's showing us the Bombogenesis criteria. Before, his was at 1,007 millibars. I don't know where he's taking this from. And it's right now at 984 millibars, what he's showing. And mine's showing 977 millibars, so mine's about 7 millibars lower than his. I just had in inches per mercury. That's the standard because it puts in Celsius. I use Fahrenheit. Okay, we might have reached our peak, because a few minutes ago, about 25-30 minutes ago, at about 10:30, it was at 28.82. I thought it was going to keep going down, but it's actually going back up now. So, and on this weather station, it got down to 97.9, and now it's 981 millibars. Look at here in Neptune, New Jersey. They're up to already 4 inches of rain. Look at this. You can see the winds are picking up. You can see we got a pond on our side of our house. You could see Mount Washington, of course. They were in the hundreds. They got 130 miles per hour. That's Mount Washington. Holy cow. Cat 4 hurricane they got last night. You could see the pressure is shooting up like a rocket. Yesterday it was at 28.82 I saw, and now it's at 29.33. And in millibars it was down to 978 I think I saw, and now it's at 997. Okay, what do you know? We just lost power. It might be coming back on. I don't know. It's flickering. You can see the clock is blinking. It's about 11 o'clock in the morning, and you can see we're getting some gusty winds from Tropical Storm the Remnants, or the characteristic from Philippe, which was a tropical storm. You can see this tree just came down. It also came down during Snowtober 6 years ago. This is like a 6-year anniversary, but it's not a good surprise. You can see it also came down during Sandy. It came down on that way. Live here in Princeton, New Jersey. We're here in our backyard, and you can see this huge tree just fell down this morning. I was watching TV and looking out the window, and I saw the tree coming down. We were getting some gusty winds, 20 to 30 mile per hour wind gusts, and we got about an inch of rain. You could see this huge tree came down. Luckily, there was nobody here, and it doesn't look like it damaged the fence too good, but look, it's a good thing it didn't smash our gazebo or our pool filters or anything. Check it out. Okay, I have the stats right here on my weather station. You could see it went from like 29.7, and then it went down all the way down to 28.82. This one's only saying 97, and you could see the pressure shot back up to 30.0, and dropped 35 millibars, and then it went back up 35 millibars. And you could see we had 4 power surges. You could see one right here when the power went out here, and then it came back on, then it went back out. Then it came back, went back out, and then it came back on. That's what those dots mean. And you could see the rainfall right here. You could see it started about 11:40 a.m. and then it shot up right here by 5 o'clock. It started cranking. And then right here, when we had a heavy downburst at 9 p.m., it went from 2.8 inches all the way up to 4 and almost a half inches. And then it went down a total of 4.90 because we got another half inch.